The answer is, sometimes it will not remove enough friends. Let's trace through an example and talk about why. For this John example, in the for loop, we start with I is 0. I is less than the number of friends. The friend at position 0 doesn't like John, so we remove that friend. And now the indexes of the friends change. Whereas before this was 0, 1, 2, 3, now it's 0, 1, 2. So we'll check if the friend at position 1 likes John back. The person at position 1 is Jamisha, and Jamisha does like John back. So we skip over this and come back up to the top of the loop. Now I is 2. So we check if friend 2 likes John back. Friend 2 does like John back, so we'll come back up to the top of the loop, skipping the remove step. And now I is 3, which is not less than the number of friends. So we're done. But Maria never got removed. After removing TJ, Maria's index went from 1 to 0, but the counter in the loop went from 0 to 1, so we never checked whether Maria should be removed or not. This code will sometimes skip friends and not check if they should be removed.